Hi and welcome to MWC Shanghai. My name is Sebastian Weber and I'm the Chief Technology Integration Officer at myFC. We are here in order to showcase our world-leading micro fuel cells and to find partners for our technologies. We have concepts, as you can see here, around laminate in case for how to make an integration towards the mobile phone, where we have an in-case for a Samsung S10, having the ability to add energy as needed when you are out and about. We also have a solution for the car industry, where we have the technology and looking for partners to bring this out in a project for a car manufacturer. If you take the example of the in-case, we have made a concept around how to make sure that the phone will have a more sustainable operation, making sure that the lifetime of the battery is extended by not overcharging the battery. We have automated how to charge the battery from the in-case with a super slim integration that we can make due to our very thin fuel cells. And the phone will use AI in order to tell the user when it's suitable to add a power card. And you simply then authenticate the power card to making sure that it is a viable power card for our solution, attach it to the phone, and then press it down to activate it, and then you will get a runtime for a number of hours charging your phone to the nominal use. And you can pay, for example, as you need to do here in China, when you're at a restaurant paying with your phone. Here I will show our laminate in case concept. This is the case where we have our very thin fuel cell, where it's the back side where you mount the power card to run the hydrogen into the fuel cell, generating the energy, charging the inbuilt battery in the very thin fuel case, in the very thin case, or the phone directly. This is a concept application where we can see the remaining battery in the phone combined with the remaining battery of the case. The use case here is, of course, for the user to extend the runtime in order to be able to do all the services that you want to do, for example, payment applications or ticketing, etc. And manage the dependency we now have on our mobiles and the services out of them. Here I show an eco mode. This will enable that you extend the lifetime of the battery. We do that by not overcharging the battery in the phone, but rather stopping at around 80% in order to get the most cycling time out of the batteries. This will also enable you to when needed, charge directly from the in-case, making sure that you sustain the battery. And it will also tell you when it's good time for you to add a power card. Adding a power card, there is the ability then to either do it automatically where the phone will prompt you or activate it yourself, and I'll show this now. Here you can either authenticate the card through NFC or a QR code, and this is done to make sure that it is a proper card that is safe to use, and also of course instruct the user how to do it. Next step, when it's authenticated, is it's showing how to attach it, basically putting it on and attaching it to the case. Next step will then be to activate the power card, and do that by pressing the top down, and it starts to generate hydrogen, and we're ready. So this is the main functionality for making sure that you have the power when you need it. Obviously, an important aspect as well for the end user is to get availability of the power cards. The phone will help you with that, where you have the ability to buy a power card. For example, buy one and then recycle one. We also show here a concept for how you can pay and then pick it up. And in this example, we are at Shanghai International Expo Center, and close by we have a pickup place. So I select that one and I get the receipt. And when I go to that pickup place, I can show this QR code and then we'll read it and hand out a new power card for you to use, and you can recycle the ones you have used. So this is the concept we have around our in-case product. In addition to this, there's clearly hype around fuel cells and hydrogen-powered solutions. Later today there will be a seminar addressing exactly what we're good at, where they will address sustainable solutions for powering mobility, where our automotive solution is a clear fit to what they need. Thank you for your attention. That's all from MWC Shanghai for this time, and follow us on the web.